Hey YouTube! So today I wanted to review Birds of Prey. It comes out today and I saw it last night and it was a really good movie. But first of all, I want to ask, why did why did she break up with Joker in the first place? Because didn't he like break her out of Arkham or whatever? I don't know. And okay, so first of all, that was like my big question, like why they break up. Cause I'm like a lover. I want to see the love story. I want to see it work out, you know. So okay, beginning, heartbreak, whatever. But she's all like, I get it though, because it's like I see us moving into this era of like girl power and independence, and we don't need a man for shit, whatever. So like I get it. It goes with that theme that I see society moving to. Just a lot of like girl power stuff, and you know, anything you can do, I can do better. But yeah, so it's a good movie. I feel like towards the end, like you really see her like come alive as that Harley Quinn character that we know. And it had a few like funny stuff, and it was cool. It was awesome. I like how in the end she like went off and did her own thing, because a real bad girl isn't gonna be like in some little girl group. Like, no. We do our own thing. So I liked that. I liked how she dipped off in the end and, you know, got her money and is doing her own independent thing and just loving that, you know. So I feel like it's definitely like a good movie for like girl power. I love how like we're getting into this girl power era, like, you know. So that was cool. I was still like the little lover in me was like, oh, is Joker gonna come and save the day? But then it was like, no. Joker took his shit back. He took his weapons back and shit. I'm like, wow. But yeah, so it's definitely a good movie. Definitely go to the movie theaters and watch it. And yeah, thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching. Like